In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar while offline. Being able to access your calendar without an internet connection is really helpful, especially if you travel a lot, work in places with spotty Wi-Fi, or just want a reliable backup when your connection drops. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn on offline mode in Google Calendar using your web browser, and I'll explain what's happening at each step so you know exactly what you're changing. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once your calendar is open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon there, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where Google keeps most of the controls for customizing how calendar works. After clicking the gear, a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to a dedicated settings page in a new view. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. We're only going to use a specific section here. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. At the top of that menu is the General section, which controls overall behavior for your calendar. Click on General to expand it if it isn't already open. This will reveal a list of subsections underneath. Within this general list, look for the option labeled Offline. This is the area where you can enable Google Calendar to work even when you're not connected to the internet. Click on Offline to open its settings. Now you'll see the main control for offline mode. There will be a toggle or switch that lets you turn offline access on or off. To enable offline mode, click that toggle so that it's turned on. When you do this for the first time, your browser may ask for permission to store data locally. This is because Google Calendar needs to save a copy of your events on your device so you can view them later without a connection. Once it's turned on, Google Calendar will start syncing your events to your browser in the background. From now on, even if you lose internet access, you'll still be able to open your browser, go to Google Calendar, and see your recent events and schedule. Just remember that any changes you make while offline will sync the next time you reconnect to the internet.